Lesson 3.6, subtraction, using the standard algorithm with two-digit numbers and decomposing tens. Onto the warm-up. Peter has 92 bahts and buys this magazine. And the magazine is 38 bahts as shown on the screen. So how much money will he have left over? And how could you calculate it using base 10 blocks? Now, this guy said, I would show 92 using 9 tens blocks and 2 ones blocks. Then I would regroup 1 tens block, just like shown on the screen here, as 10 ones blocks, so that I have 8 tens and 12 ones. Yeah, that's very correct. We regroup the 10 block to be 10 ones. And we do this subtraction. Then we remove 38, which will be 1, 2, 3, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So remaining 4. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 54. Now, using the standard subtraction algorithm is like using base 10 blocks. When we're using the algorithm, it's like what is above here. You need to regroup when the top digit is in a place value column is less than the bottom digit in the same column. Let's take a look at the steps. So we write 92, 9 tens, 2 ones, and 38, 3 tens and 8 ones. So we regroup this one to be 8 tens, and the 1 tens, we bring it over to the 1, so it will be 12, add it to the 1, then it will be 12 ones, right? Then 12 minus 8, because we cannot subtract 8 from 2. 2, subtract 8, we have 1, 2, nothing else to count. So we have to borrow 1 from here. Regroup this one to be 8, take the 1 to the ones, will be 12. So 12 minus 8 will remain 4. Then this one remain 8, not 9 again. 8 minus 3 will be 5. So that is how we will get 54. Now let's take a look at some workouts. Change the blocks to show the regrouping. Then change the numbers and use the standard algorithm, subtraction algorithm, to calculate the difference. So 64, we regroup this to be 64, regroup this, and we will have 10 So we regroup this to be 10 ones. Then 10 ones minus 7. So we cross out the 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then 3 ones. We cross out 1, 2, 3. So we have 2 tens and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 ones. And we can also do it this way. Regroup this to be 5. This will be 14. 14 minus 7, 7. 5 minus 3, 2. The same here. We regroup this to be 10 ones. So minus 6 will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 4 ones, 4 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's stay here. Regroup 7 to be 6. Bring the 10 here will be 13. 10 plus 3, 13. 13 minus 6 will be 7. 6 minus 4 will be 2. That's why we have 2 tens, 7 ones, 5 and 2, 7 ones. Now part C. We cancel this one and regroup it into 10 ones. So the 8, 12 minus 8. So let's cancel the 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's stay here. Regroup the 5. This will remain 4. And this will be 12. 12 minus 8 will be 4. 4 minus 0, 4. So let's see. We have 4 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tens. And 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. There you go, folks. And this one as well, we'll regroup this one. So let's stay here the same. We'll group this into 3, and this will be 15. 15 minus 9 will be 6. 3 minus 2 will be 1. Now let's take a look at here. 15 ones minus 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 6 ones, 5 and 1. 6 ones. And tens minus 2 tens. 1, 2. Remaining 1. 1 tens. There you go, folks. Now let's go on to number 2. Estimate. 73 minus 65. Then that will give us 10. Now let's see. Regroup this to be 6, and this will be 13. 13 minus 5 will be 8. 6 minus 6 will be 0. So we have 8 close. Now let's estimate 46 minus 18 will be 25. Now let's see. Regroup 4, so this will remain 3. To remain 3. And this will be 16. 16 minus 8 will be 8. 3 minus 1 will be 2. Oh, we're close. Now estimate this. This will be 30. Now let's do the calculation. Regroup this, remain 5. Print the 1 here will be 12. 12 minus 7, that is 6. 5 minus 2, that is 3. Oh, we're close. Now estimate this. This will be 15. Now let's see. Regroup this. 15 minus 8 will be 7. 8 minus 6 will be 27. We are far away. Okay, now let's do this. Write the missing digits in these standard subtraction algorithms and regroup when necessary so the answers make sense. So this will be, so this will be 5. This will be 6. Hmm. Minus will be 9. 5 minus what will give us 5 minus what will give us 4. 5 minus what will give us 1. That is 4. 5 minus 4 will be 1. Next. So this will be 5. When we regroup this will be 3, and this will be 15. 15 minus 8 will be 7, and 3. Now let's go on to the practice. Practice 3.6. Yes, we regroup and change the number as appropriate. Change the blocks to show the regrouping, then change the numbers and use the standard subtraction algorithm to calculate the difference. So the same thing, we make this one 10 ones. And then this will remain 7, and this will be 12. 12 minus 4. 12 minus 4 will be 8. 7 minus 5 would be 2. And here, we cancel this, make it 10 ones. Eleven minus 9 will be 2. 5 minus 0, 5. So we group this one to be 6, and this will be 15. 15 minus 8, 7. 6 minus 3, 3. Number 2, estimate the difference. Then use the standard subtraction algorithm to calculate the exact difference. So for this, the exact difference, the estimation will be 20. So let's do the 2 minus 8 is impossible. We'll borrow 1 from here, remain 4. For the year will be 12. 12 minus 8, that is 4. 4 minus 2, that is 2, 24. 87 minus 39 will be 40. So let's do the calculation. 7 minus 9 is impossible. Borrow 1 from here, remain 7. And bring the 1 here to be 17. 17 minus 9 will be 8. 7 minus 3 will be 4. For the 7, very close. Now 93 minus 57 will be 20. Now let's do the calculation. 3 minus 7 is impossible. Borrow 1 here, remain 8. And this will be 13. 13 minus 3 will be 6. 8 minus 5 will be 3. Oh, it's a lot different here. So now let's do this one. This will be 55, estimate. Now let's check it out. We regroup this one. This will be 14. 14 minus 8, that will be 6. 5 minus, so now, oh, very close. Now let's take a look at this one. 1 minus 5 is impossible. Regroup this, borrow 1 from here, remain 3. Bring the 1 here to be 11 minus 5, that will be 6. 3 minus 2, that will be 1. Oh, the estimate, let's say 15. Now the estimate here, let's say 20. Let's say 20. So let's borrow 1 here, remain 2. And put it here, 15. 15 minus 6 will be 9. 2 minus 1 will be 1. 19, very close. Now this one, estimate should be, let's say 50. Now let's see, borrow 1, this remain 8. This will be 16. 16 minus 9 will be 7. 8 minus 4, that will be 4. Very close. Now this one will be 15. Estimate, now let's see. Borrow 1 from here, remain 3. Bring the 1 here, will be 13. 13 minus 7 will be 6. 3 minus 2 will be 1. 16, very close. There you have it, folks. Compare your correction, compare your work with this correction and send it to the teachers group line.